This is an overview of DreamQuote by DreamSites for professional web companies. Sales. We all want sales, right? And so how are you getting your sales? Are you using networking groups? This can be very slow. You have to build relationships. It takes time. You have to find the groups and find out which groups are good, and some cost more than others. Cold calls. You can dial for dollars. You can certainly dial for dollars for sales leads, and that takes time, which means money, and it takes time to filter those calls to find the good ones. Email marketing. This is only as good as your list. If you want to do good email marketing, you got to have a good list, and building that list has its own problems and caveats. Direct sales through partnerships. These are things like having partnerships with other businesses, having salespeople. The problem with this is that you are going to spend a lot of money in commissions and other rate changes, such as you're going to give somebody a wholesale rate versus getting a full retail rate. You're just going to take a hit on your rate no matter what, whether commissions or through the sales. Pay-per-click advertising. We've all done it. We've all tried it. Some of it works, but this can be very expensive as well. You're talking $5 to $15 to $20 per click, and that's not even a real lead. That's just a link to your website. So, what is DreamQuote? DreamQuote is a proven way to get hot confirmed leads to your web business. We market online for you. We do all of the things that we already mentioned: pay-per-click, email marketing, direct mail, all these things that you're already doing in your business. But what we do is we're doing it for not just your business, we're doing it for other web companies around the country as well. We market the web for project leads and then email those leads to you. You get access to the leads, and then you only pay a flat fee for what you want. Each lead is confirmed by our staff, our professionally trained web staff. That means that these aren't people that just came in and they're taking phone calls. These are people that have actually done websites. These are people that have actually worked with customers on other websites. And so each lead is confirmed by our staff before it is posted to our developer dashboard. DreamQuote has several advantages over other connector type of business. First of all, there's no contest. That means that you're not going to be doing some work, competing with other people, and giving away your time, which is money. Again, there are no commissions for us. We're not going to give you access to the project, then take a percentage of the deal, and then 3 deals down the road with that customer, I'm going to take another percentage of that. That's not what we do. We are someone that puts customers and who need help with their website and people that do websites together. You're not competing with thousands of people for the same lead. Yes, other people are getting the lead or getting the same project information, but you, as somebody who thinks that you want to bid on a project, you're only going to compete with up to 7 other people. That's up to 7 other people. That's the maximum. So you're not going to have like 60 other companies trying to bid for the same job. It creates confusion for the customer, and it really hurts your chances of getting the job. And again, the resulting clients are your clients. So let's look at how DreamSite works. First of all, the client posts a project to DreamQuote in their own backend. There's a wizard, and there's some information, a form that they fill out, just like every other system. Okay. The difference here, though, is instead of that project just simply being posted on the developer dashboard, a DreamQuote administrator contacts the client to confirm the project and the project information. We ask extra questions that you might ask, and we add that information to the actual project. From there, we approve the project. Once we've confirmed the project, we approve it, and then the information, the project is actually emailed out to our database of pros in various ways. If, you know, for instance, if the customer is in your area, you might get that first. That information is all in the back end of our system. Web pros who are interested in bidding on that project will buy access to that particular project lead. And again, you don't have to buy anything. There's no cost for our system until you actually want to use it. So then if you want to buy access to that project lead, you're going to be one of a maximum of 8. So this means when it's emailed out to our database, people are going to click on a link that in an email with the project information. It's going to take them back to the project. They're going to be able to buy access to that lead. So again, only 8 people are going to be able to have access to that lead, because we don't want to confuse the customer with too many web professionals bidding on their job. The next thing is the client is going to be able to review your profile. You know, we have a profile that allows you to have a portfolio, all the information about your company, services that you do, and those will always be enhanced. But the client is going to be able to view your work online, and you're going to be able to provide that information, so they can choose. Once you buy into the project lead, you're going to be provided information on the customer, okay, and only you are going to be given that information, and then you and the customer can connect offline via email, via a phone, and to close the job and talk more about their project. Okay, at that point it's up to you. We aren't just giving you clicks. We aren't just giving you clicks to your website. We aren't just giving you. We are giving you real, confirmed project leads. Okay, and that's basically how DreamQuote works. So the next thing you'll want to do as a web company owner is you're going to want to register for a Web Pro account at our website at dreamquote.net. And thank you for watching this video.